during his stint from Davao del Norte, may bit-bit kang tao? Kasi usually may bit-bit tayo niyan, di ba? Mga bata-bata. Mayroon ka ba?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Who are those names? Who are those?
Some already retired, Your Honor.
No, I'm asking the names. I'm not asking if they're active or not.
Po namin sa mga tauhan namin. As to
I think, Your Honor, to be
No,
make
no,
sure.
you don't think because alam mo yun.
the evidence para po mag-file
O, Colonel,
Yes, Your Honor.
please name names. Or else today, some members might be obliged to cite you in contempt for refusal to answer relevant questions.
ng mga tao namin, we conduct
The rank, Your Honor, I cannot memorize.
No, I
the
don't
rank.
need the rank now, but I can get it surely.
Mr. Chair,
Colonel, paki-cooperate because you're not answering my query and refusal to answer relevant questions in this committee is in violation of our rules and the members can cite you in contempt in violation of the letter C of our rules in contempt.
may paliwanag sa ganong mga instances.
And then, ano lang ako, may tatanong lang ako kay Edgar. Edgar Mogato. Yes, sir. So, may binabasa ako sa routers eh. Manuel, Manny. Kasi dito sa ano nyo, hindi report, news article, na-mention nyo si Colonel, Colonel Patay. Andito si Colonel Patay eh. So, ang sinabi nyo dito sa news article nyo, nakalagay dito, ewan ko kung totoo to ha, pag kay patay ka, kay patay. Ayan, nakalagay dito, tapos, were you in, natatawa si Colonel, you were assigned sa Station 6, ng Batasan, dito sa,
Yes, sir.
And during that time of your incumbency in that place, ilan ang patay? Ilan yung mga naging, sa operation nyo?
I cannot give the exact data.
Well, dito sa report nila, meron nakalagay na data. It's like, hindi ko na makita, pero parang merong out of 100 something, parang 86 yung inyong, is that correct? Parang ganon ang report?
Your Honor, correct po kasi meron po kaming kopya ng mga police report nila.
So ilan ang namatay doon?
More than 100 po.
Sa span of what?
Sa Station 6.
Hindi, span of what time? Baka naman 3 taon yan o 5 taon.
Ay, hindi po. Sandali lang po sila sa Station 6.
Ilang months kayo sa Station 6?
Less than a year, Your Honor. Less than a year, Your Honor. Walang isang taon po.
Less than a year. Less than a year. And during that time, Manuel, ang mga namatay is like?
More than 100 po.
Ano yun? During police operation?
During police operations. Kasi may police report po kaming nakuha. Binibigay po nung that time, over 100 po yung napatay. Kasi yung mga pangalan po nung involved sa operation nandun po, pare-parehas yung pangalan nila. At lahat po itong kasama sa operations, handpicked daw po ni General Bato de la Rosa from Davao City.
Pwede bang sabihin nyo sa amin yung inyong data tungkol dyan? Police report na yan, ng kopya?
Yung mga police report, mga...
Can you submit the copy to us, please?
Ay, wala po akong kopya nun.
So, Colonel Patay, prior to this assignment, were you on what station?
I was assigned at Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Davao del Norte, bago ka mapunta sa Quezon City?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, bali, so will you confirm the statement of Manuel
I cannot
Patay?
confirm, Your Honor.
So, most likely, we'll be asking the, also yung record nung sa kanila siguro.
Wala rin silang record. Baka may record to si Colonel Patay. Yung sinasabing record ni Mr. Mogato, meron ba kayong record nun, Colonel?
Wala na po, Your Honor. We submitted
Wala na
all the
kayong
reports.
police record nun?
All
Ba,
the
hindi
records
pwede
were...
mawalan kayo ng police record niyan.
All-
Kung bihira, dapat yan, record na yan, nakatago yan sa inyo. Hindi pwedeng sunugin nyo yan. Nasaan yung mga record?
Your Honor, the records were submitted to a higher office and
Now, you also have a copy of that. Even if you submit to the higher office, you should have a copy of that as an official file in your own station. My goodness, here is Mr. Mogato accusing you of more than 100 people who were killed during your time. Then you ought to produce the record because they have their own records eh. Sila hindi nila makita, pero ikaw, dapat meron kayo niyan, Colonel Patay.
Your Honor, I have no personal records. All were left
Now,
at the police station, Your Honor.
I'm not referring to personal records. I am referring to the records that you have in your police station. Who is the police station commander now?
I cannot identify, Your Honor.
You cannot know?
Identify the recent station commander of Station 6.
Then this committee is asking you to get a record of that. Or else, we're going to hold you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
Colonel Patay,
Mr. Chair.
ano na lang, most likely, alam mo rin naman yon kasi how many assignments did you have already during your time of being a what do you call, ano man tawag dyan, police director? Police director ka, di ba?
Station commander.
Ay, station commander. So, ilang istasyon ang pinuntahan mo? Sa karir mo?
6.
Meron na bang 5?
8 assignments, Your Honor.
So, 8 assignments.
After
Oh.
station commander of
So,
Station
can you
6.
kindly give us, no? Siguro, you can consult with your higher authorities, to give us yung mga records para at least malaman natin, makonfirm natin, baka mamaya, hindi naman na totoo yung mga sinasabi ng routers. And we are just basing, we just wanted to give you the benefit of the doubt that the report that was given or was reported by routers were not true. At least this is your chance para patunayan na hindi totoo yung sinulat. But were you aware of this article that was written against you by the router? Kasi medyo mabibigat yung mga salita dito. Have you read about this? Ay, hindi nyo wala mabasa. Kasi may mga lengguwahe dito na mabibigat yung mga salita dito against your group na sinasabi nila that patay kayo kay patay. Tapos at the same time, yung grupo nyo talagang ang skill is to kill. Parang mga ganun na sinasabi dito And that's the reason why I'm giving you a chance, because in the spirit of fairness, of this committee, we are giving the benefit of the doubt to our PNP. Ako, being the chairman of the Public Order and Safety, we wanted to protect the integrity of the organization. And nagulat lang ako na mabasa ko ngayon tungkol sa iyo. And being here right now, it's my opportunity to ask you kung talagang totoo itong mga sinasabi dito sa news na to. And this was written by the routers. Kaya I hope that you will be able to bring us all the documents pertaining to this accusation to clean your name.
Congressman Fernandez,
Yes.
Congressman Busita would like to interject, being a police colonel himself. So
Thank you.
You have to make a motion. You can make a motion right now.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. By the way, Mr. Chair, before my motion, tanong ko lang, Mr. Chair, kay Colonel Patay. Kailan po kayo na-assign sa Station 6, UCP?
Sometimes last July 2016, Your Honor.
Until?
Sometimes in 2017, but I cannot recall the exact month, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Chair, I move na ang i-direct po natin to submit those records dito po sa alleged operations with casualties. Mr. Chair, yung pong director ng QCPD.
So there is a motion given by President Busita. Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, it is approved. Therefore, I withdraw my statement a moment ago. advice ko lang sa'yo, kung hindi totoo yung sinasabi nitong si Mr. Mugato, demanda mo ng libel. Hindi totoo yan eh.
In fairness with the
Hindi totoo, di ba?
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, in fairness naman with Manuel Mugato, ang sumulat po noon ay si Claire Baldwin and Andrew Marshall. Do you know these people?
Yes, Your Honor. Si Andrew Marshall po ay nasa London na. At si Claire Baldwin ay nasa US na. They were the ones who interviewed that story. And I also know for a fact that Colonel Patay was interviewed in Pampanga during that time. After, I think, several months after he left.
Inamin niya.
I don't know. I'm not privy to the interview. But the interview was arranged by our stringer, si Jess Malabanan, who is also from Pampanga. And si Jess ay nagsumbong sa amin na natakot siya kasi parang nagalit daw si Colonel Patay. Bakit mo ako pina-interview dyan? Napahamak tuloy ako.
Ayun. So, you remember this, Colonel Patay? Kasi meron ka pang may babanggitin pa ako para at least to give justice sa iyo rin, ha? O, tinan mo, when asked what was so special about the Davao Cops, he smiled and said, special kill skills. Sinabi mo ba to?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, so yun na nga. So, well, at least nabanggit mo dito, Colonel Patay, itong mga ganitong klase ng sitwasyon. Kasi the members are being given this report at this worries us as well. Dahil sa mga sitwasyon that we are talking about, that nagja-jive doon sa mga sinasabi ng ating mga witnesses. At any rate, Mr. Chairman, since wala na rin pala yung mga writers na to, bakit na sila umalis po? Umalis po sila o na-assign sila? What happened to them?
They were only assigned here for that special report. They were here for 17 months from July.
So they're not Filipinos?
They're not Filipinos.
Okay.
Si Andrew po ay British at si Claire ay American.
Oh, you remember that somebody interview you during that time, ang mga Americans?
Yes, I can remember, Your Honor, but I did not get angry about that.
But you don't remember anymore the discussion?
Particularly on that statement you asked me.
Are you sure? Hindi mo natandaan?
I did not say so.
So hindi mo lang natatandaan yung content ng ng interview. But you remember the time that you were interviewed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sige, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Is Batasan Station 6 includes the Batasan complex?
Yes, Your Honor. It includes the Batasan complex. We secured the outside perimeter,
Before we
Your
call
Honor.
Congresswoman Castro, there's an interjection that Congressman Carabs would like to say.
Thank you, Chairman. This is just in relation to the query made by Chairman Dan. Colonel Patay, I mentioned a while ago that before you were assigned in Station 6, you were then assigned in Davao.
Please pardon, sir.
Your assignment before Station 6 was in Davao.
Davao del Norte in
Davao del
particular.
Norte. Specifically, where? And
Tagum
what is
City.
Davao?
Davao
City.
del Norte, Your Honor.
Davao del Norte. And what is yung Provincial Police Office?
Different stations and offices in the
No.
provincial.
Before Station 6.
Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Tagum City. You're the Chief of Police of Tagum City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Before as Chief of Police of Tagum City, anong assignment po?
Chief of Investigation Section, Your Honor, of the province of Davao del Norte.
Ng Davao.
Davao del Norte in
Davao del
particular.
Norte. Is Tagum City component city under the provincial command? When you were the Chief of Police that time of Tagum City, are you under the Provincial Police Office or in the regional office?
Sakop po ng probinsya, sir, is not a component city.
Sakop ng
Probinsya
probinsya.
ng Davao del Norte, sir.
Sino yung provincial director mo that time?
During my time, Police Senior Superintendent Gadingan, Your Honor.
Is he active?
Retired already, Your Honor.
Retired. So, matagal ka pala sa Davao. Mga ilang taon ka doon?
Almost of my career, I was assigned in Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mindanaoan ka?
Visayas, Your Honor.
Visayas, where from Visayas?
Siquijor, Your Honor.
Secure. Okay. Cebuano speaking.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi po, ang tanong kanina sa iyo is yung sa Station 6 and allegedly by the Reuters, mga may git 100 po ang namatay daw during your stint as the chief of Station 6, no? Station 6. That time anong rank mo? Major?
Superintendent, Your Honor.
Superintendent. Light colonel na.
Lieutenant Colonel, Your Honor.
Ngayon, full colonel na.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, kasi it's a serious accusation, Mr. Chairman, against Colonel Patay. Kasi galing siyang Davao, then he was assigned July lang in Station 6, Quezon City, and that was the time also that the former president sits as the incumbent president. That was in July also. And ang record, ako, in my own personal knowledge, marami po yung mga inassign kaagad kung saan-saan. Kaya, ganito lang po. We don't have conclusions, no, but please cooperate with this committee. Especially if some names, no, yung mga pangalan ay lalabas, nabitbit mo. I'm not accusing you, I'm just telling you na please cooperate because if names ay lumabas and some of them will confirm that indeed they were assigned here in Metro Manila or particularly in Quezon City with you, ito pa pala, during a stint from Davao del Norte, may bit-bit kang tao. Kasi usually may bit-bit tayo niyan, di ba? Mga bata-bata. Mayroon ka ba?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Who are those names? Who are those?
Some already retired, Your Honor.
No, I'm asking the names. I'm not asking if they're active or not. Who are those names? Ilan po sila?
I think, Your Honor, to make
No,
sure.
you don't think because alam mo yun. And that happened 7 years ago. O, Colonel,
Yes, Your Honor.
please name names. Or else today, some members might be obliged to cite you in contempt for refusal to answer relevant questions. That is letter C of our rules in contempt.
The rank, Your Honor, I cannot memorize
No, I
the
don't
rank.
need the rank now, but I can get it surely. Names muna. What are those names?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino nga? Please, name names.
Congressman Karab, baka maalala niya pag binanggit ko isa-isa. Pwede ko mabanggit ng isa-isa, no ha?
Hindi, ganito, no, coming from him. Colonel, paki-cooperate because you're not answering my query and refusal to answer relevant questions in this committee is in violation of our rules and the members can cite you in contempt in violation of letter C of our rules in contempt. Oh, please name the names.
Your Honor, hindi po actually binitbit. May order po yun galing ng Krami.
Correct! Of course, I know. Hindi naman pwede yun eh. Just like what happened with General Mariano and Cobradilla. Nabitbit nila yung tao nila. Then the rest is history. Ngayon natanggal sa serbisyo. Ngayon tinatanong ko sa iyo, it's either retired, awol, summary dismissal, ang case ng mga taong yon. Who are those names? Hindi pwede, Colonel. We are not born yesterday that you will not remember all those names or those person that you brought from Mindanao going here. Oh, pumili ka lang or else may quorum pa ba tayo? You will be cited in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor. Ralph Piñero,
Oh, Ralph Piñero.
Dinis
Sino pa po?
Pal,
Sino? Please.
Dinis Pal,
Dinis Pal.
Owen Molinos.
Owen Molinos.
Richard Timon.
Oh. May listahan si chairman pala eh. Kung kulang mamaya, di sabihin ni chairman. Kung kulang. Sino pa po? Isang team yan, di ba?
Emmanuel Ibit, Your Honor.
Emmanuel Ibet.
Retired already.
Yeah. Sino pa?
That's all I can remember, Your Honor.
From now, for now, that's all you can remember. Mr. Chairman, since the names was mentioned by Colonel Patay, may we ask the PNP to check the service records of all those mentioned names? The rank, previous assignment, and if active in service, present assignment. At the same time, Mr. Chairman, all those, if ever there are names that was mentioned, was dismissed, the circumstances of the dismissal, kung retirement po, pakilagay na lang po rin yung retirement, submit po ASAP before the next hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I still
Yes,
have one last question.
Interjection
I still have
doon, Mr.
the
Chair.
floor.
Interjection lang po
They
doon
just
sa
borrowed my
invite.
time.
Interjection
Sa
lang daw
invites.
siya kung saan.
Yes. Siguro, Mr. Chair, dahil hindi naman maalala ni Colonel Patay, no, yung lahat, baka pwede rin itong, aside from yung status nito from the PNP, baka pwede rin po natin itong pa-invite. Kasi doon sa nabasa natin sa routers, no, katulad nito, si Charles Owen Molino, siya yung nagsabi ng special skills to kill, di ba? Nandoon sa si Charles Owen Molinos, si Michael Maderable, Ronnie Bangat. Please take note po paano natin to sa PNP. June Ralph Pinheiro, Emmanuel Ibit, Renante Solomon, Dennis Pal, at saka itong Richard Timon. Ito yung may pinakamaraming operations na na-involve ng ang patayan. So, hindi niya po nabanggit, Mr. Chair. Kaya,
Are you
pwede
making
po
a
natin
motion to
patawag.
invite them in this committee?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, I move to invite those who have mentioned to this as the next committee meeting, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion. Is there any objection? Hearing none, same is approved.